Hi children, next place value chart. Then how to apply numbers in place value chart, placement box. How to write numbers in placement box. According to their place value, we write the numbers. Then first look here in first Indian place value chart. Its periods ones, thousand, lakh, crores. Then one number is given here. Look, read this number. Which number is this? How to read this number? Look, 4 lakh 801. 4 crore 801. 4 crore 801. This number we write in this placement box. Then look at this ones place. How many digits are ones, tens, 100, 3 digits, and thousands. 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Then this number we write in this placement box. Ones place, which number we write? Look, which number is this? Ones place we write 1. Tens place look 0. So tens place number 0. And 100 place which number? Place value of 8 here 800. Then next look, 1000 place 10,000 place 0. 1000 place 0, 10,000 place 0. And lakh place 0 and 10 lakh place also 0. Then crore place which number? 4. Then 1000 place 0, 10,000 place 0, lakh place 0, 10 lakh place 0. Then next crore. Then how to read this number? 4 crore 801. Then we can write its expanded form. Look, according to their place, we write first which digits, ones place which number here? 1. So 1 into 1 which number? 1. Then plus tens place which number? 0. 0 into 10 is equal to 0. Then 100 place plus 8 into 100 which number? 800. 1000 place which number? 0 into 1000. 0. Then 10,000 place 0 into 10,000. Then 0. Then next lakh place which number? Lakh place also 0. 0 into 1 lakh is equal to 0. Then plus 0 into 10 lakh. Look, 0. Then next which place? Crore. Crore place which number? 4. 4 into 1 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. The next is equal to which number? 0. This is this number's expanded form. Expanded form look. Then next number name. How to write this number name? Look, here we read this number. Look, 4 crore 801. Here look, this period of lakhs. This lakhs and thousands period here. Periods names are silent here. Look how to write this. 4 crore. Crore after. Next, look which period? Lakhs and thousand. Here look, lakhs and thousands period are silent here. We do not read this periods name, digits name and periods name, because this place, look, this lakhs place digits are 0 0 and thousand place also 0 0. 0 0 will come, it's the digits name and periods name silent. Then after which number here? Then 8. Which place is this? Once then 100 places. So we read 800. Then tens place 0. So this also silent. Then next 1. So how to read 801? So for crore 800 1. Is it clear? The next, look, 7 crore 41. 7 crore 41. How to write this number in figure? How to write this number in figure? Look, 7 crore. So first we can write 7 crore. Then next which period? Lakhs period. Here lakhs period note and thousands period. Lakhs period and thousands period are silent here. Look. So that place which number we write? 0 0. Then lakhs, how many digits? 1 2 digits. So this place we write 2 zeros. Then next period 1000. 1000 also 2 digits. That period's name also silent here. So that place also we write 0 0. Then next look, ones place. Ones place how many digits? Ones place not ones period. How many digits? Ones, tens, 100. Look here 41. So 100 place. This also silent 100. So that place 100 place also we write 0. Then after which number? 41 means tens place 4 and ones place. Is it clear? Look, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. How to read? 7 crore 41. Is it clear how to write these numbers? When words number name is given, how to write this number? The next, international place value chart. Look here, periods name ones, thousand, millions. Then how many digits? Look, ones, tens, 100 places. Then thousands, how many digits will come? 3 digits. Means 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 100,000. Then next millions place 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Then how to apply this number? Look. Then first 1 2 each 3 digits after comma. So how to read this number? Look, 52,800,286. Then once period, how many digits? 3. Ones place which number will come? 6. And tens place 8. Then 100 place 2. Then 1000 place 0. 10,000 place also 0. 100,000 place 8. Then millions place 1 million place 2 and 10 million place 5. Then 100 million place is number is not here. Then look, we apply the write this number in this placement box. This is which international place value chart. Then how to write this number name? Look, 52 millions. 52 million 800 period's name 1000. Then 286 286. Do you understand how to apply the number in placement box? Then next estimation. Then okay, thanks.